In this video I'm going to show you how to use the hidden trackpad on your iPhone. That's pretty simple and easy and useful feature, so let's begin. First you need to open up some application that contains any kind of text. Let it be that one, and now I need to tap anywhere within the text block to activate my keyboard. And now to make a hidden trackpad appear, I need to tap on the space button, tap and hold, and let's see what is gonna happen. Characters was disappeared, and now all the keyboard area is a trackpad, and I can use it like that. I can just move my finger and I see that cursor is changing his position. I can place it wherever I want, and when I move my finger out, I see that keyboard appears again, and I can continue work with this text as I regularly do. But if I want to get a trackpad again, I just repeat this action, tap on spacebar, hold my finger on the screen and just move finger around to change the cursor's position. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.